Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to make a from scratch easy apple slow cooker pork loin in our slow cooker at home. So let's go ahead and get started. You are going to need a pork tenderloin, and you can purchase this from your local farmer, butcher, or grocery store. You'll need olive oil cooking spray, and you will need 1 white onion diced along with 2 apples diced and garlic diced as well. You're going to need ground cinnamon. I love using cinnamon. It just is perfect with the apples. You will need coconut oil, and you'll need raw honey. So you need about 2 tablespoons of raw honey. You'll need salt and pepper. I'm using Himalayan sea salt, and onion and garlic powder as well. Now go ahead and take out your apple pork loin out of the packaging. I cut half of this in half. I'll use the other half for a later recipe. And the reason I'm doing that is my family is not going to eat the full pork tenderloin. I'm going to go ahead and massage the pork tenderloin with my cinnamon, my ground cinnamon, my salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powder. I'm going to make sure I rub it in all over the pork tenderloin so all of the spices can be infused and taste delicious. Now we're going to head over to our stove and heat our cast iron skillet over the stove top. Once it's warm, I'm going to add my coconut oil into the skillet and let it melt. Once it's all melted, this is a perfect time to go ahead and add your pork loin to the skillet. And what we're going to do is we're going to sear all of the sides of the pork tenderloin. This is going to infuse all of the spices and infuse all of the flavorings so the pork tenderloin cooks and is very juicy inside when you cut into it. Now you can find all of the details of my pork tenderloin over on my blog, which is www.rigscreekfarmhouse.net. Now what I was doing here was I was cutting slits into my pork tenderloin. This is where I'm going to put my apples in. I'm going to cut about 4 to 5 slits into my pork tenderloin. And you can do this when it's in the cast iron skillet, or you could do it when you put it into the slow cooker. It's your choice. I just chose to do it in the cast iron skillet. Now in your slow cooker, you're going to go ahead and spray cooking spray all on the inside. This is going to help so nothing sticks and also help with cleanup. Add your seared pork tenderloin inside your slow cooker. Go ahead and add your garlic, your onion, and then you're going to put your apples in each of the slits and decorate the outside of the pork tenderloin. That is what I'm doing here. Now go ahead and place your lid on your slow cooker. Now the slow cooker I'm using is also an Instant Pot, but it has the slow cooker feature, and I'm basically setting that on my Instant Pot, and this cooks for about 2 hours on high. You can put it on low for up to 10 hours. Here we go. The pork tenderloin is all done, and I'm just kind of flipping it, getting all the juices, pouring it on top, and going ahead and taking it out of the pot. I'm going to place it on a serving dish along with all the juices, apples, onions, and garlic, and I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes before cutting into it. Once the 5 minutes are up, I'm going to cut into it, and as you can see, it is beautiful, very rich, very hearty perfect home cooked meal at home. So simple, guys. You can do this. Just remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. I will be doing a lot of recipes from scratch, easy, affordable, and simple. You guys can do this. I hope you follow along on my journey through homegrown, home cooking, natural living here on our farm on the banks of Riggs Creek. I'll talk to you guys real soon.